Welcome back to day 2 of our Flamenco Footwork Drills Challenge for experienced dancers. Thank you for joining me, Rina. If you missed yesterday's video, please go find that link for it, because you will need that information to be able to apply it for today. So we have been working in using the Rolling Golpe technique, which is just flat heel, heel. And yesterday we did it syncopated. So we know that, it's very important to be working in compás and having that strong sense of compás as we dance. And so as dancers, we're always working on it, always allowing that compás to seep into our body, to become our heartbeat, because that is also the heartbeat of flamenco, is that compás. Right, so last time we had that soniquete, that sound of da 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 da, and now today we're going to work on really drilling down on the beat, but really focusing on those accents and getting those heels up, making sure that it's all articulated. Now remember once again that when you're doing this, you keep your hands on your hips, or if you keep your arms down. Having on your hips is a little bit neater. And then if you have more experience, then we can work on those arms. And remember, those arms are going to be kind of twisting at the waist slightly. So it's not pushing your shoulder forward, it's just slightly twisting at the waist. The chest is up, the back is engaged, the arms are rounded, and we're going to be controlling those hands. And back in, switch, hands, and back in, and then arms up. That chest is open, the back is engaged, and when you bring your arms down in front, the elbows are up. You don't want to collapse them, okay? So we will work on it slow and then bring up the tempo. Another tip for you is that we're going to keep those abs engaged, legs relaxed. At any point that you feel that your quads are seizing up, you have to take a deep breath and relax, okay? So before we go on to that though, another element that we always want to focus on, we have compás. Now the next thing is the feeling. How do you want to feel while you're dancing? And we know that, you're here because you love flamenco, and you're probably a flamenco crazy lady like I am. So that we love it, and we love the feeling of it. We love watching dancers who are expressing themselves with passion and confidence. We want to dance with passion and confidence as well, because we also have our own personal expression that we want to share, right? But one other thing, though, is to remember is that each rhythm, each palo in flamenco has its own feeling, its own aire. So Solea por Bulerías that we are dancing, or that we're practicing our drills, is aggressive. And I remember it being described to me as dancing on shards of glass. You're not going to be able to express yourself too much just doing footwork, but still you're going to have that attitude of just kind of being aggressive and sharp with your movements. Whereas if it was like alegrías, it would just be happy, right? Or if it was solea, it would be somber and very profound, right? So each rhythm has its own feeling, its own aire, and we want to be able to embody that as we dance, even in our footwork. All right, so enough of me talking, let's start dancing. Okay, so we are on the beat. Da, 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 da. So if it feels too fast, you have to just relax and get those accents. So again, we have 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to just relax. So no real hard moves. Okay, so 6, 8, 10. So we're going to accent 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. All right, so again, if anything starts seizing up, you want to just kind of keep those abs in and take a deep breath and relax. Okay, let's go on the left. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, So relax. Now we're going to try it, but really focusing on getting those heels really up, okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, and so get those heels up. 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. So you notice that there's a little bit more emphasis, it's a bit louder. 8, 9, 10, and 3, 6, 8, 10, 3, get those heels up. Ole. Now let's use compás with the guitar. Okay, so it's going to be faster, so you got to relax. Think about those accents. Here we go. So, accents. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Left. 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 8, 10. So think about getting those heels up so you can relax a little bit more. All right, here we go again. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. 6, 8, 10, 12. Left. Okay, now we'll add arms. 7, 8, 9, 10, and left. Ole. So that one's a challenge, right? Because it's faster, you need to really kind of think grounding thoughts, really just rooting down so that you can stay stable and so you don't start getting all tense and kind of flying away. So you have to like take a deep breath and ground. All right, so I want you to practice this again. If you need to practice this using slower compás, please do. We were doing it at 110 beats per minute and then at 144 with the guitar, okay? So record your video, post it in the Facebook group. We're gonna give you lots of jaleos and you'll be eligible for one of the prizes. And then we'll get ready for tomorrow or the next video. So the next video, we are going to do, we're gonna split that compás. So half of it is syncopated and half of it is on the beat. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. So thank you for joining me and I will see you next time.